During a crisis, access to substance abuse and mental health resources in rural areas like Jefferson County can mean the difference between danger and healing.
Having certain mental issues is not a negative thing. We all go through something because life puts us through something.
I'm Lynthius Cheney, your neighborhood reporter in Jefferson County, where deputies, counselors, and outreach coordinators are working together to get neighbors the help they need when they need it most. From flashing lights to quiet interventions, Florida's Baker Act and Marchman Act are powerful tools that law enforcement can use in times of crisis. The Baker Act, established in 1971, allows a person to be temporarily held for mental health evaluation if they're considered a threat to themselves or others. The Marchman Act, enacted in 1993, focuses on substance abuse intervention, often initiated by families or law enforcement. According to the Florida Department of Children and Families, more than 130,000 people were placed under the Baker Act in 2023, including nearly 38,000 minors, while Marchman Act cases are fewer, just over 7,000 annually. The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office partners with local agencies such as the Appalachia Center's Mobile Response Team to conduct evaluations and determine when and if the Baker Act or Marchman Act should be used. Mobile Response Team Counselor Annie Severin says when responding to calls from the Sheriff's Office, the safety of the individual and others is the top priority.
So I may figure out something to help them cope with what they're going through. But if it comes to it where it's in danger and the mindset is not seen to change, or they just like giving up, that's when the sheriffs come in and then we do the Baker Act.
In Jefferson County, support can begin with a simple phone call to the Sheriff's Community Outreach Coordinator. Sheriff Mac McNeil says the coordinator helps connect families to care, often before a crisis escalates to the point of needing a Baker Act or Marchman Act intervention.
Making sure that someone's safe and is getting the help they need is part of our job, and that's what we have to do.
Amy Hoagland serves as the Sheriff's Office Community Outreach Coordinator, a position funded by a grant from the Northwest Florida Health Network. Hoagland says not every situation qualifies as a mental health or substance abuse crisis. That's why she taps into community resources to help neighbors with a wide range of needs, from food and clothing to support with stress, divorce, or financial hardship.
Whenever there's a need in the community, we meet that need to the best ability. And it's hard being a small agency. We don't have resources like bigger agencies and state agencies have, so we have to use what's in our community.
Hoagland says these resources are invaluable, and neighbors can stop by or call anytime without fear of judgment. In Jefferson County, Lynthius Cheney, ABC 27.